So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day. No Tokyo session yesterday. I need some time. So, yes, for that reason, no Tokyo session. Well, we are here. I'm going to try to take the Nasdaq. So, well, good reaction into the sell zone. But again, here we need to wait the confirmation for open the long position, guys. Sorry, the short position. So let me read the chat, guys. Let me read the chat. Sorry for your the friend. Yes, our friend in Iran. Well, in the beginning, in the first months, um, no one trusts in this project in YouTube. So I remember just one guy came here and told me, "I'm from Iran. I like your work, so I will continue. Will continue with you. I like your attitude. I like your positions. I like your point of view." Well, that guy started sending messages requesting some help about the entries and everything. So well, he continued with us. I mean, the name wasn't him. Um, One day he told me his age was 16 years old. Like, nice. I have another denier into the Discord. One day he passed a challenge, 2 or 3 challenge. He passed the account. He was a great trader. Well, one day just he told me when the war started, like he having issues because the internet was blocked there. and he don't have an opportunity to connect into the stream. He don't have the opportunity to connect into the account. At least he tries so hard, to be a good trader. He was nice, the people there in Iran is there, so he's strict. So the things what I explain, he follow the instructions, he follow everything. Since I think December, I received the last message like he having problems with that, with the internet and the government and everything. Um, with the with the um, with the money there, the money in Iran is equal as zero. Um, well, he passed away. He passed away due to the government issues. Unfortunately, um, this is the situation with the war. This war, it's totally by my side. It's not like clear, because in this country we don't have an army. Well, I don't remember when was the last time what I'm crying or something like this. Um, well, yesterday was so painful. Today is painful, but that's the thing, guys. The everything will continue, no matter no matter what it happens. The market will continue. Uh, the governments will continue. The prices will continue moving. But yes, like it's like this. Many people is dying. We don't know. It just we're here in a quiet place. Thanks God for I think many of my subscribers is just sitting in front of his computer. Uh, um, and the main problem is for the day if they lose the position or win the position. My main problem is not a problem. Even it's my main problem is like if I lose or not. It depends of the market and everything. So, but yes, and this is pretty difficult. Like someone to support you for more than 2 years. the channel. Now just he disappeared because he is having a difficult situation into the country. Um, but yes, rest in peace, the meme. Thanks for all that support, my friend. Yes, he was killed by the government in Iran. Hi, Laurito from Austria. Nice, great. Nice to see you here. I'm so sorry about. Thanks, my friend JMD. Well, the regiment. Yes, he was killed by the regiment, not the government. So, well, not a confirmation there. I'm still waiting the correct confirmation here, guys. Okay, waiting the correct confirmation. So just continue waiting. Just waiting, guys, and please relax, relax. I'm not going to sell here if I don't see the good confirmation. Okay. And that's true. Don't trade with the $10 if you don't want, if you don't have the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, yes, exactly, Granja Monedas. That's that's totally true. Okay, let me clear here. We will prepare the sell position if we see the confirmation. If not, not a position. Still waiting, guys. 11 minutes for clarify this position. Ten minutes. Remember, we need to clarify this position. So first, we need to wait the reaction here. Really sad. Yes, it's really sad. Guys, I'm ironing deep sympathy for the brothers and sisters who killed brutally in Iran. Thank you so much, Laurito. It's unfortunately that things will happen. Um, we lose a really good friend, guys. Really good friend. It's weird, to find that someone with that type of devotion, like he really wants to be a trader. Every day he talk me, every day he share his analysis, every day. So well, he fought. He fought for his freedom. Now he passed away. But well, the this channel always will remember him. ¿Cuál es el símbolo de Nasdaq, Daniel Arias? El Nasdaq es el US 100. US 100. Does it look good so far? Looks good, yes. This is a shooting star, so waiting. First time with your channel. Perfect, my friend. Welcome. It's waiting for the candle. Close bearish. Yes, exactly. Let me see the Dixie. Caer fuerte. Ok, muy bien. Entonces este ya no. Pero este es un punto. Me gusta, me gusta. Estamos en un punto bastante específico. Muy bien. So well, 6 minutes to confirm, guys. Profe, tenga en cuenta que el dólar está cayendo, sí, pero ya el dólar llegó a una zona de soporte, que de ahí no creo que pase. No, no. 5 minutes. So if we don't have the confirmation, we are not going to open the trade, guys. So be clear of that, okay? Be clear of that. Now confirmation, no trade, exactly. Exactly, my friend. 4,500, sí, si rompemos esta zona, podríamos ir a los 45,000. Join up because of deal with iron, maybe because it means oil pass dollar go down. Can we sell now? Waiting, guys. Waiting, guys. Almost 700 people seeing me is seeing this stream, and just 75 likes. I appreciate if you help me with the likes. The confirmation is a must to be like what? Let me show here. For example, something like this. Shooting a star. This one could be the confirmation. Sorry if you see me sleepy, but well, wake up so late yesterday. So 1 minute, as you can see, guys, the trade is not confirmed at this moment. We are still into the sell zone, but no confirmation, guys. Guys, I'm going to ignore the answers, the questions like, are you going to short, or are you going to sell, or can I sell? I'm going to ignore that type of questions, guys. Sorry, but I already explained what we are looking for, and I already explained, without confirmation, we are not going to sell. Chunk Lee is back finally, my friend, for I think Hong Kong. Hong Kong, I think. I don't remember it. Not pretty sure. But nice to see you here, my friend. Creo que Trump ya está con lo de Cuba. Ya ahorita va a estar con lo de Cuba, sí. El sonido de la libertad. So well, the candle didn't confirm the trade, so we're not going to open the position, guys. Just being boozy, perfect, my friend. Good. Malaysia, yes. Great. Parece que nos cambiará de dirección. Si rompe aquí, básicamente tendríamos un cambio de zona para compra. If the price break the sell zone in the next 40 minutes, we will change the plan. The sell zone will be converted to the long position. Okay. He adjusts the stop loss depending on the market volatility. Exactly. Correct, my friend. But at this moment, again, guys, nothing is confirmed. As you can see, sellers trying to continue. Um, the only option what we have at this point, guys, is just wait um, the confirmation, and that's all. Pretty simple. Waiting the confirmation, guys. And well, guys, remember if you want to be part of the community, just contact back. The only way to contact me is by WhatsApp, guys. Not by Telegram, not by Discord, not by other channels. The official way to contact me is just by WhatsApp. Okay? So don't fall into the fake channels, please. Remember, many fake channels in Telegram. Um, and well, I appreciate if you just report that channels. Remember, the Telegram channel looks pretty clean, pretty easy. Like this, just the positions, point of entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, full targets, and that's all, guys. This is how it looks like. For example, but the others, for example, if you go there, Laurito, you will find many channels here, fake channels here. For example, these ones. First, I don't have this type of channels, guys. Like this. Looks awful. Well, the other, I don't have account management. And I don't have this type of rewards, like promo plans for invest $200 on earn 4,000. That's totally fake. That's totally fake, guys. So please be clear of that. This is not my channels, and I don't have the well, don't contact the admin if you are not ready. You will get free access to people. So well, this is how it looks like a fake channel. So please, if you be there, just go there. But you can report it. Okay, these type of things didn't exist. If I all in 48 hours, if I can do $500 and earn $8,500 in 48 hours, trust me, probably I'm going to be living in another country, in another different house, and everything. But this is totally fake, guys. Please, please, totally fake. Be clear of that. Okay? Why? Because why I'm explaining this? Because one of our dear subscribers this morning go there into that fake promotion. Okay? So please be clear of that. This is fake. This is fake. This is fake. Perfect. And the only way to contact me is by WhatsApp, guys. There is a link. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting here. And the ones who are interested, okay, waiting, guys. Remember, I'm waiting these 5 minutes. Waiting these 5 minutes. Remember, guys, this week I have some discounts into the Telegram and Discord. Um, well, if you want to be there, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's supposed not a New York session today, but well, I take off the Tokyo session. So for that reason, I'm here. But tomorrow, I'm going to be off. Please tell them bar indicator trading view which you use. I use this. This bar is not an indicator. It's just a simple square. Okay, 5 minutes to confirm, guys. Do you still even as following the rules? If you follow the rules, you are not going. Never you are going to blow your account. Rachel one. Never. But of course, if you overtrade, if you don't respect the stop loss, even if you copy my trades, you will lose your account. But that's the must, that's a must. If you are going to be in my community, the most important thing is respect the stop loss, respect your money, because many people here I know don't know how to respect the money. Um, and that's pretty important. That's pretty important, guys. You need to respect that money. Then um, you can be a successful trader. Beautiful, guys. That is nice. So 2 minutes. It's time. It tests the 0.5 and goes up. So let's see. Let me check in 5 minutes. Now, even in 5 minutes, it looks like a shooting star. Uh, Losing off all the beautiful pressure because it touched the 0.5. Okay, we got the dodgy. Okay, let me explain first what we have here. We're still into the sell zone, near to the sell zone here. If we check in 50 minutes, we have 2 point of reactions. This one is the main point of reaction. What is the main point of reaction? The 4471. Okay. 4471, and the second zone it's 4480. This zone 4480. And some people will tell like, oh no, it's fake lines or whatever. Of course, it's a fake lines, these lines. But it's not a coincidence. Like, if the price, as you can see here, we have a beautiful imbalance here into the sell zone. And what happened here? When the price touched here in 4481, right in the 0.5, it gives us a reaction. So that is the price give us a reaction not because they want to give us a reaction. No, it's because many orders for sellers was set here in 4480. And that's all. So well, at this moment we got this. The sell zone it's done. We have another sell zone here, buy some here. The buy some is in 4450. 4450. Okay. 4450, 4503. If the price break this the 4480 with a really strong reaction, that means it will break the sell zone with no problems, and that sell zone will change to the long position in the next 15 minutes. So this is the plan for right now. It's still waiting. Let's see if we got another reaction for 4480. We can use the sell zone. If not, it depends for that. Okay, so everyone, it's clear. Questions. Si básicamente estamos en la zona en venta. Esta zona en venta, como ven, una hora no se quebró. La zona de dirección que tenemos es en estas tres candelas. 1, 2, 3. El punto de entrada con el quiebre estaríamos hablando de 44.80. Por eso el 44.80 básicamente nos dio el precio y de ahí pues se devolvió, ¿verdad? Hay que ver si en estos 15 minutos logra quebrar el 44.80. Si no, se va a devolver y nos va a dar confirmación para la venta. ¿Ok? Si toca el 44.50, iniciaremos compra sin confirmación. En venta, ocupamos confirmación para vender. ¿Estamos claros? ¿Preguntas? Rory, your knowledge and technique pattern is treasure for us. Thanks. Clear. Everything clear. Easy to understand. Perfect. Nice, guys. So, well, 1 minute for questions, guys. If you have questions, it's now. Porque la tendencia es alcista, Walter. Viene quebrando zonas en compra, en venta. Entonces, cuando viene quebrando zonas en venta, no se necesita confirmación. Well, you never see the time frame 4 hours. I see the 4 hours. For example, the 4H is here. But the 4H, it's here, for example, the volume sells on for 4 hours. It's here. We're in 4 hours right now. So what happened here, my friend? Same volume sells on in 1 hour is the same volume sells on in 4 hours. Okay, so you can see it's the same candle. But I always check the 4 hours. Okay. Okay, I want to join the community. Dr. Amir, For sure, my friend. Just contact me by WhatsApp. Just contact me by WhatsApp. As following strategies to not reply and tag you in Discord, brother. Uh, Tag me again into the Discord, into the server, into the general questions, my friend, please. See from 4 hours to 4 races always work, always perfect. Sí, diario igual, diario, pero recuerden que lo que queremos es el trade más inmediato posible, por eso usamos el de una hora más que siempre. How to confer? What do you check, Laurito? I'm waiting the shooting star in 15 minutes. That's all. I'm waiting the shooting star in 15 minutes in 4480. So, well, good. Everyone is clear. 825 people see the explanation. So, if we are in the same page, just we need to understand the next 8 minutes is pretty important. And let's see what happened. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Please tell me in English. I already explained in English, my friend. Again, perfect, my friend. I will answer you there. Let me see. MG, brother, videos already. Okay, MG, I already tagged you into the pre-recorded videos, my friend. I already tagged you. MG, here, my friend. I already tagged you into the Discord. Okay, trying to generate a pin by reaction. Let's see. 6 minutes. Okay. Gavin Nash, I already explained my idea. If you don't like my idea, so just don't set the targets. Okay. This way. Mm. Please kindly explain the reaction. Okay, poor live streams. Poor live streams. Lol experience. So nope, viral. So I appreciate your unfollow, my friend. If you don't like the streaming, So what is your prediction? 4 minutes. 4 minutos para la confirmación. Sigue ahí. No, Faris, trading is not for you. Probably yes. Probably it's not for him. Exactly. You can go to another channels. You can go to another channels, and that's all. Many options there to just go and be enrolled there. 3 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. Shooting a start into the 4481. 2 minutes. If the price continue near to 4470, that would be a good option. This type of people. Everyone say goodbye to Bnop Faril. It's weird people. I hate them. Okay, 1 minute. Focus, please. Hello from Greece. Perfect, my friend. Nice. Nice to see again people from Greece. That's great. Okay. Beautiful reaction. Okay, be ready. For 70, 71. Let's see if I can take the 73, 72. 72. Okay. Position it's there. For 39. Mhm. Good. Here could be, let's see. Okay, for 460. 82, 7, 83, 15, 15, 51, let's say 52, 40p, 49, 39. Okay, there's the point. Let's see the reactions. Let me work into the TPS. For 457. Working as fast as I can. $39, 7, point of entry. Okay. There is a point. Let's see the reactions. Of course, we are against the trend. Well, that's the decision. I already explained my decision. If you want to see the explanation there, just go back 50 minutes ago and you will see the explanation. For if you take a better position than me, it's a must to use the same stop loss. Okay, it's not reason to use higher stop loss. Okay, so be clear of that. The first point, we need to break this 4465. That's the first point. So let's see. Now it looks good, but we need to continue with more pressure in the next 7 minutes. Testing the highest prices around the last point of reaction. Well, the main, not the main, the last point of reaction is around 4,480 as the this spike here. So let's see if the price wants to test that point or not. It depends for the next minutes. Just remember the stop loss is there for 487, no more than that. Okay. So this is the last 6 minutes. Trying to test the 76. Staying there. We need to stay lower than the 4480. Last 5 minutes. So of course, if we want to see the last five, give us good reactions, and then come back to the point of entry and everything. But well, let's see. First step: stay lower than the 4480. Staying there 3 minutes. It's not looking good. Well, the price still trying to steal there. Testing the 4480. It's a must to stay there. No more than the 4480. trying to pass that point with some reaction. Little reaction for them. This is the last three candles. Trying to stay under the 4480. That's great, but we need more, of course. And of course, if you take a better position than me, guys, use the same stop loss, please. 4487. No more than that, okay? No more than that. Be clear of that, please. This is the last candle here. Trying to stay under the 4480. That's good for us. It's good for our intentions because that means it's respecting the point. For 476, 77. Let's see if it can end near to the 76. Now ending near to the 77. Okay, 76. Testing again. The 80. For 80 again. Let's see, trying to stay there. $79. So, well, we need the good reaction there. Really strong to go back to our point of entry. 79. Trying to resist the 80. The buyers were unable to pass that point, but nothing to celebrate at this moment because the price is still pushing up. So in one candle, it can touch this stop loss. So for that reason, just be clear of the 4487. And that's all. We need to see something good there. I keep the ground. 11 minutes. Sitting to that little consolidation there in 4480. Testing the 4480 again. I'm seeing the 1 minute candle chart here. Looks like a pure indecision, like doji, 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 doji. Ten minutes, 10 minutes, and we need to see. It's a must to see something good in the next 5 candles. If we don't see something good in the next 5 candles, the possibilities increase to touch the stop there, guys. Hmm. Testing the 82. It's generating a new point. 85, it's our last point, but it looks like pretty difficult at this moment. So you continue like this. So we'll be ready for 487. It's our point. Don't open positions. Don't open a stop loss. Please be clear of that, guys. Be clear of that. Mm-hmm. 30 pips for touch the stop. In the next 2-3 candles, we can see the stop. So be clear of that, okay? Don't open positions. Don't open a stop loss. Understand the stop loss is there for one reason, okay? Sellers trying to going back to the 4480. But that is not enough. We need something really good if we want to If we want to see the profit again, first we need to break the 4475, then break the 4472, 4465. So we have a long trip now. Mm-hmm. 6 minutes, the price is still there, trying to survive with some spikes for buyers, sellers trying to defend the point. 4480 is a must in the next 6 minutes if we want to continue with some possibilities to get the targets. Continue on their 4480, 81 at least. So trying to go there with some reactions, but not that much. This is the last 4 minutes. This is the last four candles. So well, trying to stay near to 4478. But again, we need to break it. This is nothing to celebrate. We need to break the 4475. We have a long trip right now. And the most important point to break is 4465. Nothing to celebrate at this point. Just waiting. 2 minutes, and we need to stay there near to the 4480. Let's see if they can continue. See. Boy. This is the last candle in 1 minute. So, well, ending more or less like a little candle there. Let's see if it can continue with the pressure or not. It depends for the next 50 minutes. We have another candle. At the end, the price respect the 4480. So let's see. It's all about the patience. It's all about these positions. Go. Guys, if you don't like the channel, just you can go unfollow me, and that's all. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. Trying to stay there near to the 4480. But well, that consolidation still there. We got a shooting a star, shooting a star. So well, many reactions there for sellers, but that is not enough. Mhm. That's in the 82. Ten minutes. Well, in 5 minutes, looking good. Not that bad. But again, if we don't break the 4475, then the 4470, and then the 4465, we're too far. We need 3 steps for continue with that sell. Still holding the same position. Seven minutes. Okay, trying to stay there for 480 again. Again and again. Looking really difficult. Still holding the same point. Let's see the last 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And this is the last 5 minutes. uh, 4 minutes. The price is trying to stay there. Recovering some prices. Still there. It's in a sellers trying a little, but that is not enough. Buyers are quiet. Not the best point. They are overextended. Extended. For the reason I think they're quiet, but probably many buyers still holding the position. Be afraid. Well, the last 2 minutes is now, so we depends of these 2 minutes if we can defend the. Well, if the sellers can defend the 82. Holding. I'm holding, guys. One minute. Still pretty difficult. Sigue bastante complejo. Nada que hacer. Estamos a pocos pips para, bueno, 70 pips para tocar el stop. Siguen defendiendo el 44.80. Pero, let's see. So they're trying to continue under the 4480. That's good. But this is not enough. This is not enough. Just staying 4480. Now this is the last candle. Give us a high reaction for buyers. So they lose the 4480. Unfortunately. Let's see if this is time for that beautiful waterfall. I'm seeing some people trying to look the waterfall same as me, but well, let's see. It's not looking that well. Why it's not looking well? Of course, we're into the huge drawdown, testing the maximum points. What is happening now? The sellers lose the 4480. That's not good, but well, let's see. Now we need to break the 4480, 4475. Well, long trade. We depends for how much pressure for the buyers will continue um, making right now. Glasses. Let's see. With gold in this type of conditions, the only thing what we can do is just pure patience. Them try to respect the stop loss. That's the most important thing. Uh, for never lose your capital. That's really really important. your initial capital for sure. Remember, it's an investment, so you need to manage that investment as best as you can. Even if you lose, you can recover, and continue to recover the next weeks. Just for one trade, you don't need to be in crazy, like losing your mind and losing all your position, opening positions, many positions at a time. Way too glance. Well, stay there into the same consolidation near to 4480 and near to 4477. The price is unable to pass the 4477. So that's not a good news for us. Hmm. Giving us a reaction there. And in 1 hour candle, of course, this looks like really strong. Now it's a new candle. I was expecting that candle give us something good, but now we have another volume candle there. So that's not good. That's not good. Mhm. As I'm telling you, that's not good, guys. One candle for around 50 pips. Probably in these two candles, we will hit this stop. They're playing with our feelings. Going back to 4480. Last push for the sellers, but not enough. 6 minutes, trying to stay there. Mhm. 4481. Last 5 minutes again. Playing so hard with our feelings. And I'm staying there. Martingale, no. This is why, because my main entry is 0.40 and the other ones is 0.04, 0.04. So it's just like some recover from the different points. Maximum risking less than 0.50 lots in an entry. Mm. So yes, that's not the martingale, my friend. So while losing there, let me close up here. 3 minutes, and they're losing the pressure for sellers. Again, testing the 85. 85 is the last hope, but this moment looking really, 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 really strong. Okay, ending in 4485. Not the reaction. So probably we will hit the 4487 soon. Well, if the 4481, that zone was already taken. So when if it touch the 4487, probably it will hit the 4495, 44 or 400, 500. So 1 minute more. Ending again near to the 4482. Now it's in 83, 84. Just some pips for touch to stop. Testing the 4485. 4486. Almost testing the stop loss just for some pips. But well, that is just like nothing. It will touch the 87, guys. It's just in this candle or the next one, it will touch the stop. So be ready of that. Be ready. No more than 4487, please. Done. The stop loss is there, guys. No more. Don't hold positions. Stop hit. Go. Stop hit. Well, again, if we lose the 4487, it will test the 4495, 45. So that points. So please don't hold positions in negative. That's all. Three as a sell. Pips. Aquí 114. Calculadora. 114 7 menos 150. 147, 137, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2. So, well, guys, that was the position right now. Now it will continue with the uptrend. Not too much to do. Sellers try to defend that point. Two shooting stars. Some pressure for sellers, but well, at the end, it will continue for 4495. As I explained you, if we lose that position, we will touch for 495 and 45, probably 45 inclusive for 45 team inclusive that point. We can continue like this. Okay, so the important thing here is, guys, don't hold the positions in negative, please. Be clear of that. The stop loss here is for one reason. The stop loss was for 150 pips as usual. But if you continue holding, you will increase your negative, your negative, your negative, your negative, your negative. With no sense, to be honest, no sense to hold positions in negative. So please be clear of that, okay? So, well, I'm going to eat my breakfast and back, okay, guys? I'm going to eat and back for see if we can do something here or not. It depends for the next hours, okay? I'm going to eat and back. So well, back. Time to clarify the positions. Okay, the 4460, 70, 4480 was taken, of course. Taking here. Mhm. So now we are 100, no, 1200 pips in an uptrend, testing other possible sell zones, but of course I'm not going to um, open a position near to that. Minimum if the price touch 45.10, we can try that position, but no sense, no sense to open another sell zone with this type of reactions right now because the price will continue with the pressure. Unfortunately, I really trust in that really that candle pretty good. But well, it break it pretty easy. Mm-hmm. Now this is the 445.03. Okay. Mm-hmm. So let me see. This is the 4405, 4505. And the long position for 475. 75. So well, again, remember, respect the stop loss. The stop loss is there for one reason. Now it's in the 45 again. So please, 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 the price will continue with the uptrend for sure. Let's see if I can prepare the re-entry. I'm going to wait these 30 minutes for see if I can do something. If not, back in Tokyo session. Did you breathe while you ate? I eat so fast, yes, because I know I need to come back to control the people. Aaron promising to end the inflation fears produced. Go pumping. Perfect. At this moment, we have this. Just if the let me see. Sh- 80. That would be here. Good. This is the point. What we have, if we can do it, something is here. Reacción en 500, 4500, sí, pero 4505 sería nuestro punto de reacción original, digamos, y ahí ya podríamos ver qué se hace. Pero si no toca, hay que seguir esperando. Sure, there would be an opportunities to buy, but not now. Yeah, exactly. Right now, it's not the best point to open the long position. So, well, this is how it looks this up. Those positions around $700. The original one and the two re-entries. Not the best, but well. Um, Ending the last. This is the last day of well, Tokyo will be the last day of trading, but in the last 30 days, um, 100, no, $1,718 in positive. I did the withdrawal for sure. I need the money. I need money for the reason I did the withdrawals. Um, open my eyes and see. Thanks, consultant at work. I appreciate that support. Thanks for that. El ahorita lo veo posible en zona de ventas 127 y el 39, que fue alto de ayer. Saludos. Puede ser, tal vez. Exactly. If you fight the trend, you just blow your account. Uh, the blowing your account means that account will be in $0. That means blow an account. Hi, bro. I'm watching from India. Perfect, my friend. Eso tiene que caer, ¿no? Ya hizo más de 1000 pips hacia arriba. Ya está extendido. Pero es una noticia lo que está moviendo el mercado. Entonces, eh, 45 le veo máximo, 45.20. Veremos. Why did you loan at the last time without the confirmation? Why we loan in last time without confirmation? 4, 5, 6. I already explained this information around what 1 hour ago. You can go back into in that and you will see the explanation. And well, guys, remember, if you want to be part of the community, just contact back by WhatsApp. That is the option. For sure, if you want to be part of the propermatch.com, just go for the link into the chat. Proper Match. Remember, it's a website dedicated for rate the best prop firms into the market, guys. So if you want to be there, create an account, check the information, and for sure, if you want any questions or something, you can ask me or just create account. It will be really a really good option for the people who are starting, and wants to um, clarify if you can be a funded trader or not. That's the answers there, guys. Okay. So the link is into the chat and the link is into the description. The fantasy. Nice. Welcome, my friend. Lorita, gonna jump on this one. I'm gonna jump on this one. Danny, perfect. Speaking English, guys. Remember these words in Arabic or something. Um, I don't understand that letters. Consultant where my soul has been $2,000. Unfortunately, yes. Let's try to recover some money at least. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. Go will pump all day. Yes, to the news. We'll continue. Now it's testing the 45. I prefer to be honest, like just continue up. And then in the Tokyo session, we can do some recover. To be honest. Yes, sir. But today is highly bullish. But if people sell, they must respect their stop loss, like you exactly. If the people don't respect the stop loss, probably they will came here really angry and everything, and that's when trading being so stressful. When you don't respect the stop loss. If you don't respect the stop loss, guys, that's the main problem. But well, that depends of the people. I can do nothing with that. If they don't want to respect the stop, that's their own decisions. Do you think it will go down to 4470? Mm, Probably not today, my friend. We need to clarify the next 3 minutes what it will happen with this position here. Now we are into the first one for sellers. But again, if it continues like this, we will have another long position in for 495. But let's see. Crash. No, no más. Sí, hola. The sale is already extended. Yes. Now the sale soon it's there. This is the last candle. Hoy estará todo el día al alza por las noticias, probablemente. Perdió una zona muy importante que era la 44.85, que fue la que utilizamos para el trade pasado. Y la defendió un par de veces con un par de candelas bastante fuertes, pero la pasó. So there is the sales. This is a very no sense market. The war market is with no sense, guys. This is what you need to understand. When we have this type of market, no sense. It's the correct expression, I think. But yes, will it end anytime soon? Hopefully, yes, but not at this moment. It will not end soon, guys. Like tomorrow or next week. Mhm. Wait up. If something happened about the war in the next hours, probably will affect the prices there, but it will depends of the positions and everything. Mhm. 'Under play no pressure. 7 minutes. Hello, Rito, my friend. Looking for ways to improve my trading. I notice at the start of the end of the month, I lose most of because of so much manipulation. I need to stay away during this time. Probably not not a stay away. Just um, for example, in this type of reactions, with this type of market, I recommend to reduce the lot size. In a normal conditions, you can use the normal lot size for your account and everything. But with this type of market, it's better just reduce a little the stop loss. Of course, if you don't have the experience and everything, if you have the experience, you can do whatever you want, But if you're learning and trying to be improved, reduce the lot size when this type of news um, release, like people are talking for now, the war will continue. Iran didn't accept the rules and everything. United States, Iran, then Russia wants to attack again Kiev, Israel, China. Well, many things happens in one day, and this is the reality. It's better to use scalping in these conditions. You can use scalping in these conditions for sure too. Okay, the sun will taking us. It's another position taken. Sell zone was taken. So well, now it looks like this road to 45.20. I'm going to wait 30 minutes more for see what happened. If the price go back to our long position, um, I'm not going to take another position. Well, another cell zone was taken, so that's important to understand. Mhm. Okay, that's all. The position is taken there. Not the position, the sun was taken again. Working pro, I was at 30% of my liquidity for today. But after this trade, I remain 4% profit. Well, you still in profit, my friend. Can we sell now? No. Uh, we'll see any setting indicators today. No, nothing. As you can see, the price continue so hard. Lost 100 today. Yes, many people winning. Some people is winning, some people is losing. Can we say it changed the trend on and only buy? Yes, we can say that. It lost the 4485 and it lost the 4495 in 1 hour. So that means it will continue with the trend. Uh, really important to the sellers will defend the 4485 and 4495, but they didn't do uh, the process to continue like this. So for that reason, it will continue with the uptrend with no problems. Depths, because as you can see, we are not where this is so. Just here is give us some retracement in 4430, but the others just the price continue with the uptrend with no retracement and everything. Okay, En un día subió lo de una semana completa, sí, más diría yo, va por 1400 pips, un par de semanas por lo menos. Bueno, le damos gracias a Donald Trump y a, bueno, a Estados Unidos, a Irán, Rusia, Ucrania. Y bueno, vamos a seguir con estas situaciones por todo el resto del año. We will see this type of reactions for the rest of the year, guys. It's not like it's just going to be today and that's all. No, if the issues with the war continue, we will see this type of market with no stop, with no sense, no respecting a structure. Well, Manfred, estamos esperando el retroceso. Okay, waiting the retracement. That's all. Vamos a ver. ¿Qué es esto? Aquí. Uy, más que es un Celson ahí. Pero si no, no quiero. Sí, sería este. Retracement, guys. So, well, let me explain why I'm going to take this position. And the ones who understand the information, you can take it with me. If not, that's okay. So, well, first we got the cell zone. We got the cell zone here in 4505. As you can see, that cell zone was taken with no problems. The sun just passed. That's all. And so that cell zone disappear. Instead of that, the buyers give us this long position, this bison. Of course, we have another sales zone in 1 hour here. Then in 15 minutes, if we check, this handle have a 4496 as a point of reference. So the only thing what we need to do is wait the retracement and then open the long position. Okay. So that is the reason it break a sell zone and then just we need to wait the retracement. And that's all. News employment. Mm, I think this is for tomorrow, no. Ahorita, ¿qué ves ese Fibonacci? Eso no es un Fibo, eso es un Gambox. Just waiting the retracement, guys. Last candle. Trying to go back, but not too much. Any entry? Just waiting the retracement, guys. Waiting the retracement. So, well, continue. Waiting the retracement at least 45 could be our point. Testing the 4505. Okay, the price trying to stay there near to 4505. Trying to stay there. Market will up or down. And expect down a little, and then we can open the long position. Shh, but the thing now, it's quiet. Good. Some retracement. So, okay. No quiere ser aquí en la elección. Ok, eso es cierto. Okay, the price going back. That's great. Let's see this 50 minutes if we can open a trade there or not. Come in Tokyo session? Yes, I will come in Tokyo session. went so far, but not too much. But well, remember guys, if you want to be part of the community to the Prom for Match, just go into the promformatch.com. There you will see a really good options, really good discounts according your necessities. Okay, so just go there, click into the link, and you will see the option. Now it's out of this difficult decision. Like, nah, use the 45. That's the other point. What we can use the 45, or just wait the 4496 again. Sell TP 4480 could be an option. Let's see if I don't see any reaction in 4510. I'm not going to take the position, but it depends for the next 10 minutes. I'm going to wait 10 minutes more for see what happened. Okay, guys, so just waiting. For 496 could be our option for 495, but that's the 96. So that's time to wait, and that's all. That's wait the position for 496. That 50 here. Finally, the price is going back again. That's good. 8 minutes more. 7 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, going up again. So, or not. Playing again with these market conditions. It's awful. Three minutes. Sí, ya bastante, pero bueno, será. Mm, Está aguantando. Yes, here the 4496. But again, if the probably we will continue that consolidation. That was the last candle. What are we wait? Nothing. The action is done with gold, guys. Unfortunately for us, not a position at this moment. So that's all. That's all, guys. We're not going to open the position. Nothing. The price didn't give us the retracement for open the trade. Now they looks really quiet, doing not too much. So it's no sense to open the trade too early. Yeah, at least at this moment, because we're out of the sun and the retracement is not there. So, guys, I'm going to be back in 8 hours. 8 hours. So, active your notifications if you want to share and say hello to the stream. So, yes, guys. Tokyo session. The next entry will be in Tokyo session. Okay. So, take care. If you are holding a position in negative, guys, no reason to hold positions in negative. Okay? Be clear of that. Always be clear of that. Respect your money, respect the instructions. Um, I'll be back in Tokyo session in the next 7-8 hours. Okay? For try to recover. Probably it want to test again the 4520 or something like this. So let's see. It depends for the next candles. Now the price it's going up. Let's see what happened. And for sure, if you want to be part of the community, more than welcome into the Telegram and Discord support. It's not for free. At this moment, looks like this. Three entries. Five entries. Three wins, two losses. So, well, this is the week right now. So I'll be back into the next 8 hours. Thanks for your time. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments too. Of course, again, if you are holding a position in negative, please respect your account and close that position in negative. Okay. See you soon. Back in Tokyo, guys. Back in Tokyo session. Back in Tokyo session. Take care and don't take crazy decisions. And of course, if you want to use XELLION, more than welcome. There is the link into the chat. Thanks for the lovers and thanks for the haters. Correct, my friend. Thanks for your time. See you soon. Thanks, guys. See you soon too. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Took these hours for rest and back in 8 hours. 8 hours. Active the notifications and let's see what we can do in Tokyo session.